Good day traders, and welcome back to Tech FX. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple breakdown of how I caught 300 pips movement on Euro USD using the top down analysis we did in our previous video. Please, if you have not watched this video, please go back and watch it. Now, before I proceed, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing content. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright traders, so in our previous top-down analysis video, we spotted this breaker block right here, right? And we expected price to retest it, no buying. After price got to the breaker block, we switched to our 30 minutes time frame. Now on 30 minutes time frame, I got first entry, but the first entry was actually loss trade, right? Is it a loss trade or we stopped a loss? So we just stopped the loss. It wasn't a loss, stopped a loss, because in trading, having the right psychology that you didn't lose a trade, just stopped a trade, blow your account. That is use of stop loss. The analysis was actually correct. It was invalidated right here. Now the reason why is because anytime price is shifting structure, right? And after price wants to change structure, if it is unable to clear this liquidity and does something like this, when price is coming back, it's not going to use it. It's going to use it. It's going to use this either an order block. That was what actually happened right here. After I entered right here, this zone was actually an indicator. So price actually used the fair value gap right here to continue. You can see how price reacted to this zone multiple times. So I had to exercise patience and wait for another break of structure, right? So this was another break of structure to the upside. After price broke structure, I waited for it to come back to this fair value gap right here, and with a sniper entry, price triggered trade, went straight to TP. Now this was our TP1, right? But the main TP was the liquidity we were targeting on higher time frame, right? So my network is kind of slow. I'll be right back. So guys, this was the liquidity we were targeting on higher time frame, right? So this was the ultimate target, 300 pips, right? So that was how we got the entry. That was how we got the entry on it. I hope you guys understand now. So let me explain the simple entry model. Anytime you want to enter a trade from a higher time frame, once we get our buyers on the 2 hours time frame, right, then switch to the 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame and find a market structure shift from that point of interest. Notice was an high, low, high, low. After price break this high, signals that the buyers are entering this market. So you wait for the pullback into any institutional reference point, which is either an order block or fair value gap or breaker block or mitigation block, then take the buy. So that was what actually happened right here, right? So we got the second entry and price delivered massively. So while on GBP USD, I also got an entry, but we didn't trade it, and there was a particular reason why. Now after price got to this zone, let's go to our 2 hours time frame. Now 2 hours time frame, after price broke structure to the upside, our previous analysis was that price will use this breaker block right here. Price just came down and used the breaker block on the daily time frame. It was the zone we were expecting it to come back to, right? Price actually used the breaker block on the daily time frame. So switching back to the 2 hours time frame, right? So we could spot another block right here also. There is a bullish order block right here. You can see there was a small break of structure and we have more order block right here. So we bring it to this zone, you will see that price actually touched it also. So there's another confluence on the 2 hours time frame. So from that 2 hours time frame, I switched to the 30 minutes time frame. So this is how you could have got an entry on GBP. So guys, on GBP USD, after a market structure shift from that zone, you can see price created a lower low, lower high, price swept this liquidity and shifted structure immediately. So this was the first entry point. This could have been the first entry point, but I missed it. So after that, price gave another break of structure. This was this particular signal I sent to the Telegram group. What I noticed was that after price was coming to this zone, it was creating some inducement. So I was forecasting that maybe price wants to come to this zone right here. So I asked them to cancel the order, but actually price actually used this zone. So it is what it is. So price actually used this zone and continued buying. So I'm still having buying bias on GBP USD, right? Once it gets to this zone, I'll look for confirmation. And this is the ultimate liquidity it is targeting, right? So that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And also, if you haven't watched the previous top down analysis we did on GBP USD and Euro USD, I'll leave it for you to watch. Goodbye.